everyone, it's Ann from What's Up Homestead, and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to make dinner. I'm going to make spaghetti with some garlic bread and a salad and some homemade ranch. And we're going to have a $1 million pie for dessert. And trust me, you want to make this $1 million pie. It tastes like $1 million. Believe me, it is a family favorite for sure. And I've also got a small little Aldi haul that I'll show you what I got. So let's get started. I got some hamburger. It was $2.19 a pound. And I got some gold potatoes. Well, these are the yellow potatoes. They're not like the ones I got from Walmart that were gold. And they were $2 more a bag. But these were like $2.47. And the taco shells, they were 89¢. And we can have tacos with this ground beef maybe later next week. And I got some supreme walnut brownie mix just to have on hand in case I need something really quick and easy. I got some light corn syrup. I think I have a recipe for that I'm going to use. And of course you really need that for the holidays to stock up on. And we're going to have spaghetti, so I got some 4 cheese sauce. I got organic peanut butter for Jackson. I got a can of biscuits just to have on hand. These are the flaky layers. I don't know if they taste as good as the other ones, the Grands, but we'll try that. I got some Gruyere. Not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Probably with some kind of a breakfast casserole, maybe. I got some vanilla wafers. Jackson loves those, and I'm going to probably make a banana pudding, which I forgot to get bananas, but that's okay. I got some organic milk for Jackson. I got some Texas toast for tonight. I got some almond bark for some candy that I'm going to make for Christmas. I got some hummus to go with my pretzel chips. And this awesome find. I hope they're as good as the ones from Lidl. We had those a couple years ago. They were really good, and we couldn't find them anymore. And I went a couple months ago and looked, and they didn't have them. So these are the dark chocolate covered cherries. So I hope they're really good. So I'm going to put this up, and I'm going to start the spaghetti. And we've got salad. I'm going to make some ranch from the Hidden Valley packet. And then I'm going to make the $1 million pie. I've got my water boiling, and I just took that jar of sauce and I added some onions and some peppers that I had in the freezer. And I'm just waiting for the water to boil. And I've got my garlic bread getting ready to go in, and my salad. And I've got my ranch dressing in the freezer, kind of getting cold really quick. And this happens to me every time I make enough sauce for 2 people and enough spaghetti for 9. I don't get it. It's just barely enough sauce to cover it all. But that's dinner, and I almost burnt the garlic bread. I had it on broil, so that's done. My coffee's hot. My salad is done, so we're going to eat, and then I'm going to come back and show you how easy it is to make the $1 million pie. Okay, this is all you're going to need is the crumbs and lemon juice, sweetened condensed milk, a small can of pineapple, and Cool Whip. So let me get a bowl, and the pecans, or pecans. I don't know whichever way you say it, but I say pecans. And I want to get a bowl and mix this up. Okay, I'm going to add the can of sweetened condensed milk. I like to use a spatula. It works a lot better to get all the milk out of there. Scrape it off the lid. Whole entire container of Cool Whip. And you want to drain your pineapple before you put it in there. You don't want it to be too soggy. Just going to add a couple splashes. Let me go ahead and shake this up.
just going to add a couple splashes. I'll post the recipe down below. And these are pecan halves. So what I'm going to do is just kind of break them up. I do not like to chop pecans. I don't know. They just go everywhere, and I'm okay with bigger pieces. Okay, so just mix this around. And that's couldn't be much easier. Just mix it up. And that's it. And I'll show you now. Now I'll show you how to make the crust. Okay, I'm just going to spray the pan. I've got coconut oil here, but you can use any kind of spray. Or you could even use butter. And I forgot to tell you that you'll need some butter also. I like to just put my crumbs in. And that way you can kind of see if you have enough. So that'll be, just going to make sure that's enough. And that looks good. So I'm going to pour some butter in there. This was like a little over 4 tablespoons. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another spatula and I'm just going to mix the butter in with the crumbs. Just make sure you coat all of the graham crackers. Okay. So I'm going to just do it by hand. And you can take the spatula and kind of push it down. And if you like a lot of crust, you can put more in there. There's no reason why you couldn't do that. I'm just going to kind of go over the sides and kind of push it down. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now we're just going to spoon the filling over the crust. I would say make sure you get every little drop, but you want to lick the bowl. Trust me, you want to lick the bowl. So just take this. I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap, and tomorrow we will eat.
Okay, Vlogmas number 2 is in the books, and you've got to try this pie. If you don't make anything else, make this pie. It is so good. I am telling you, make the pie. You need to make the pie. And I'll have the recipe down below. Let me know if you make it. And I'm going to get off here. I was up till 2 a.m. yesterday making editing the video, and I do not want to be up that late tonight. It's already 10 o'clock, so I've got to hurry up and get this done, and I will see you tomorrow.